whether I remain by myself in believing this, it doesn't make any difference on whether the structures or cities are on these planets or not. All I know is that I looked up how to find geometrical shapes on planets, and I looked up what scientists are looking for. I've seen their pictures. I've compared understanding of a pixelation on a photo, what zooming a photo can do to the photo, recognizing the difference between a pixel and a structure. I tried hard. I am always learning. But like I said, these are the surfaces of planets that I am capturing with my technique and my 1000 millimeter camera, by the way. It's not just a 20 millimeter camera. It's a very good camera. I paid $1,000 for it. I didn't pay $10,000, I'm being honest. It's a Fujifilm HS50 EXR. And once I take the pictures with my camera, I'm able to see these beautiful planets and this way. But what I'm working on is zooming in on the photo to be able to see the surface structure. There's no pixelation. What you're going to see is that a straight object will remain very symmetrically straight if it's large, but it will emanate a glow and will have roundish edges. But it's still very easy to see a humongous, massive installation, even if there is a bit of a blur. And the whole point of this is that there is always a blur because this is far out where the sun does not shine very much over the solar system. So I'm trying to get these as clear as I can. Only a researcher could appreciate this. Well, some of you say that I don't give enough information about how I capture my pictures. Look through the video. I've written a story of my life in it, basically, and I explained every technique in great detail through pure honesty. For the love of research, humanity, and the truth, I'm doing this purposely for that, my friends. Everyone's welcome to their opinion, and I'm open for that. This is what YouTube channels are, right? If you guys hate these videos, it's fine. Just write it in the feedback. You don't have to write it 20 times. You can write it 2 or 3 times. It's plenty. And it's not a problem. I understand that some people are disagreeing with this. It's just the surface of a planet. I don't know how you can disagree with a picture. It's just a surface of a planet. You can disagree with what I think the picture looks like, but you can't disagree with the fact that it's the surface of a planet. Guess what? My photos are 13,500 ISO. Long exposure, 2.5 to 3 minutes. Until you've tried it once yourself with your own camera, a long exposure shot, and 13,500 ISO, that means, you know what ISO is? Look it up. The light, the way it's going to capture, it brightens the sky. It brings magnificent detail even to a dark planet. You could see great detail, but these planets are so far, so the more we zoom up, the more they will get blurry. But it's still a technique to see that there's something out there for an amateur astronomer, and I think it's a very magnificent way of finding out what the universe is like on your own, very inexpensively.